Hi guys, I'm Sarika and welcome back to my channel, Your Knowledge Buddy. So today I'm back with another new video where I'll be talking about not UK but Ireland. So I have brought a list of shortage occupation lists from Ireland, which we'll go through it. And I have seen some similarities and some differences between the two. And I have some good news because there are some jobs which were not in the UK shortage occupation list is in Ireland's shortage occupation list. So without any further delay, let's get started with the demo. So this is the official website of the Ireland Shortage Occupation List. This is the government's website. And the list is called as Critical Skills Occupation List. I'll provide the link in the video description so that you can go through the list one by one. So for this demo, I'm going to start from the bottom because I have lots of good news there and I'm sure you guys will be happy. So I'm going to start first with sales, marketing and related associate professional. So I know there had been a lot of people who had been commenting on my videos asking about sales and marketing jobs, which is not in UK shortage occupation list, but is in Ireland's shortage occupation list. So I'm going to encourage you guys to expand your search. Don't just stick to UK, expand it to Ireland because there are high chances for you guys to get visa sponsorship jobs in Ireland as compared to UK if you belong to sales, marketing and related associate professionals. So as you can see from the screen, business sales executives in international sales roles or with the fluency in the official language apart from English, which is not a member state of the EEA, or international marketing experts with required domain knowledge in product strategy development, management with technical and product service knowledge like pharma, medical device, software, B2B, SaaS products. Yeah. So if you have the right skills, definitely you have a high chances of getting visa sponsorship if you belong to this. Now, the next is a sports and fitness occupation. So again, if you are a high performance coach and director employed by national sports organizations or high profile sports, you have a high chance of getting visa sponsorship from Ireland. Now, the next code is 342, which is for design occupation. So they have 4 under this, which is location designer, character designer, prop designer, animation layout. So if you have minimum 1 year of experience, as you can see, you have a high chance of getting visa sponsorship in Ireland. The next is 341, artistic, literary and media occupation. So animation background and design artist in 2D or 3D animation with at least 1 year of experience is in shortage occupation list. So another good news. So you guys can keep applying in Ireland. The next is health associate professional. So PHECC registered paramedics or registered advanced paramedic practitioners, prosthetics, orthotist and respiratory physiologist as well. It is in shortage occupation list. The next here is media professional. So if you are art director in 2D or 3D animation with 1 year of experience, you have a high chances of getting visa sponsorship. The next is 246, which is quality and regulatory professionals. So again, under this, they have 3 categories: quality control and planning engineers, quality assurance and regulatory professionals, environmental health professional. So if you belong to this job, then definitely you have a good chance of getting visa sponsorship. Under welfare professional, there's social worker, which is also in UK shortage occupation list, by the way. Now, let's talk about architects, town planners, and surveyors. So if you are architect, quantity surveyors, and architecture technologies and construction project manager, you have a good chance of getting visa sponsorship in Ireland. So as I scroll up, I can see more under business, research, and administrative professionals, as you can see. So there had been a lot of people who had been commenting and asking about banking professionals and accountant kind of jobs. So here I can see you have a good chances of getting visa sponsorship. So you can see chartered and certified accountants, taxation experts, specializing in tax, compliance, regulation, solvency, financial management. You definitely have a good chance because this is in shortage occupation list. Now, next is qualified accountants with at least 3 years of auditing experience who are full members of AICPA, PICPA and ICAP. So again, if you have this, definitely you have a good chance. And if you're a tax consultant as well and you specialize in non-EEA tax consultancy and compliance, you have a good chance of getting a visa sponsorship job. Now let's move to teaching and education professionals. So again, teaching is in shortage occupation list even in UK, but only STEM kind of people get visa sponsorship. So here they have academics who hold a qualification equivalent to level 10. You have a good chance of getting a visa sponsorship. And then under that, they have talked about different details like 3rd level of Irish University, and another is involves delivering a program largely wholly concerned with information communication technology, which leads to a major award of this. So you can read this more detail. So if you are into education, you have a good chance. Next is nursing and midwifery professionals. So registered nurse and registered midwife. So registered nurses are also in UK shortage occupation list, but I think midwives is not there. So if you are a midwife, you can apply. And now therapy professional. So if you are an orthopedist, then definitely you have a good chance as well. Now let's talk about health professionals. So medical practitioner, industrial pharmacists, radiographers, radiation therapists, vascular technologists, gastrointestinal technologists, audiologists, perfumist, dietitian. So these are again in shortage occupation list of Ireland. I know dietitian is not in UK shortage occupation list because there had been people who had been asking about dietitian. So if you're a dietitian, try to expand your search to Ireland. The next is information technology and telecommunication professionals. So all the IT jobs are in demand. They have called out IT specialist managers. They have called out IT project and program managers, business analysts, architects, and system designer, programmers, software developer, web design, and all other ICT professionals like say if you're in DevOps, cloud engineer, definitely you can apply. Now let's move to the next one, which is about engineering professionals. As you know, all engineering is in shortage occupation list, even in UK, even in Ireland, I can see everything is covered. For example, if you're a civil engineer, you are structural engineer, mechanical, electrical engineer, electronics engineer, design and development engineer, production and process engineers, or under material scientist, setting out engineer, CAD engineer. So definitely all the engineering professionals, you have a good chance even in Ireland. So keep on applying on the major job sites. So I'm going to do another video where I'll cover the job sites for Ireland as well. Now let's talk about natural and social science professionals. So here you can see chemical scientists in manufacturing, like food and beverages, medical devices, or product development, analytical development. Again, this is in shortage occupation list, medical lab scientists, biological scientists and biochemists, and physical scientists in manufacturing as well. Again, this is in shortage occupation list of Ireland. So again, you can apply for the jobs where you have a good chance of getting shortlisted. Now, next is health and social services managers and directors. So senior health service and public health managers and directors is in shortage occupation list, so you have a good chance. Now, next is ICT professionals, so information technology and telecommunication directors. So if you belong to this, again, a good chance for you to get shortlisted. Now, the last one is production managers and director, like the site manager. So those were the all list of shortage occupation list, which is called a critical skills occupation list in Ireland. So I believe this is a good list for people who had not been successful in the UK. Please give a try and keep on applying for jobs in Ireland as well. So wait for my next video where I'll be covering about the job sites in Ireland where you can apply for jobs. So thank you for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Thanks and keep learning.